Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AUPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, updates probably not necessarily the right word necessarily, but confirmation would definitely be a valid word. Confirmation in two ways. The first way, that first 30 minutes, the price pulled back and bounced quite literally right off that green line, which I've talked about in videos from last week of support right there at 1485. Out of curiosity, what was the low? Low of 1485. You can't make this stuff up. So 1485 definitely has now officially been confirmed as that area of support. And then on the flip side of things, because from that, the time where the price got it, which by the way, to the chart players out there, congratulations to anybody that accumulated that bounce off that support, because you got a very, very nice bounce all the way up there, essentially a dollar bounce. And then this brings about the next point in confirmation, and that is where the price in this situation didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree got very, very close to that general area, right up there around $16, and then did have a slight pullback. Now, the good news is going forward that because the price is still definitely within striking distance of 16, it's not unreasonable to think that the price could potentially get a breakout of 16 going forward. And again, that doesn't mean it's a guarantee, but that's much different. If the price was down here and I was saying that, well, that would imply that the price has first got to go all the way back up there, and then it's got to break through it. But in this situation, the price has only got to travel a small distance, and then it can start, banging on the door there at $16. So again, nothing new here to really update in the sense of there's a new level of resistance or a new level of support, but just confirmation that, yeah, these levels I've talked about before are still, playing and being valid areas as far as the chart is concerned. But then also, it's more than valid and it's more than logical to think that a breakout of 16 could be around the corner, but still got to get confirmation and seeing if the price can get up through that area or not. So a nice way to start off the week. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.